to have this weird kind of table that had like arms up around it, so he had to really wiggle his arm out. It's like being in a cage, right? I'm Sarah Hodson. I'm a research technologist with the Technology Access Center for Aerospace and Manufacturing at Red River College. Our mandate is to help industry learn about and be able to use new technology innovations in manufacturing and aerospace. There can be a lot of complexity, and especially a really good program makes it look simple, but in the background there's lots of complex things going on. There's an industrial robot and what's called collaborative robots. Industrial robots, usually, they're the ones that you see behind a cage. They may be working at high speed. They don't have any sensors to allow them to know that you are there. If you stuck your hand into his path, if he's swinging his arm around and you stuck your hand in there, he would take your hand right off. There's a key switch here. It's in teach mode right here. So the key switch, the key is missing because we don't want anybody to turn it into actually play mode. Wheel him out a bit. Collaborative robots, that's not really what they're about. Collaborative robots want people nearby. Like they're made to work with people. Baxter can take a picture of you.
Hi, Baxter.
He has a lot of sensors on board, built into him, integrated into his system, where he can see and feel. It's detecting how close an object is to me. Depending on whatever sensor you want on there, it's just like a human. So he knows when you're there, so he'll slow down. And for some reason, he starts at this pose. It can take, hours and hours and hours to program something in an industrial robot where you need, fine precision. Collaborative robots is basically what you call lead-through programming. You just grab his arm and you put it, this is where I want you to go, pick this up, put it over here, and then go and do it.
Oh, it just memorizes it.
Yep, as play record. Basically, you record what you want him to do, he records it in his head, and then you just say, okay, go ahead and do it. Hugs. You don't need a degree to be able to program a collaborative robot. Industrial, yes, high precision, you need to understand what you're doing too. Like a collaborative robot with a knife in its hand is dangerous. You need the man behind the curtain because it's only as good as what you program it. The robot doesn't come and just do everything on his own. Somebody needs to program him to be able to do that and to do it properly. And it's an art as much as a science, programming.
This is how Iron Man gets dressed. What fascinates you about it?
Everything. I have robots that have vision systems that can scan something in 3D and then manipulate the object after they've scanned it without having to touch them. Like basically they just take a look at it and they say, oh, this is round, this is the way I need to grip it, this is where I need to put it. It's amazing how far things have come.